Hey guys, so today I'll be making kinetic slime. So, of course, I'll be showing you how to make it. So what you need is kinetic sand. I have blue and pink, so I'll be deciding soon on which one. And I also have, glue kinetic sand and saving station and baking soda. So I don't have an actual measurement, I'm just gonna do it. Roll up your sleeves when you're doing this, because it gets messy. I have a mask that I'll be wearing sometime, but Shelby's, I'm wearing Shelby's right now since mine didn't come in yet, so how do you like it? Tell me in the comments below. She chose cat. So, first thing you need is you have to add in your glue. So, I'm actually running out of glue for my slime. That's how much slime I make, but most of the time I don't make slime in a video actually. What happens is sometimes, like in the middle of the night, I want to make slime, so I make slime. Okay, so I forgot something, so give me 1 second. I need to go grab it. Okay, I'm just gonna grab like a towel. No, I have to quickly wash off my hands to make sure there's nothing on them. Sorry, I meant I have to grab a stirring stick because sometimes I don't want to stick my hand in there. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to add in the baking soda first before the sand. I'm hoping this will be so this recipe you will not find anywhere else. So if you don't like how we made it, or you just don't like how we do videos, or you just don't like my video, or you just don't like me, well, then you won't be able to, I don't think you will find how to make kinetic slime anywhere else. Anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to stir in that baking soda. I don't have actual measurements, I just throw in a couple of things. I know the more baking soda you add, like the more, of course, grainy it will be. But it will mean that you need less saline solution, which I have it. I love that. You only need like this much for like this much slime I'm making. Today I was like, I usually only make a little bit, but today I'm gonna make a lot of slime because I always make like not even enough to fill one hand. Today was awful. We had a doctor's appointment. That's a physical, but yeah. I got shot. It hurt my hand. Hurts my arm now. It hurts a little bit to bend to the arm a tiny bit, but then. So, ooh, it's still a lot stickier than I thought. This is probably when I want to add in the kinetic sand. This is like my normal slime recipe, but I believe it's different because it's going to be kinetic. Please come off my hands. I want to grab some kinetic sand. No! Oh no, I've made it even worse. I'm going to get this off my hand. I'll give you 1 second. Sorry, I said give you guys a second, but seriously, give me a second. I'm going to do blue. We have more blue, and blue's my favorite color. I love blue. Oh, kinetic sand. I love kinetic sand. Boom, kinetic. I hope this will turn out cool. I really hope it turns out cool. And again, I don't think you could find how to make kinetic sand anywhere else. I don't think. I didn't search it, but I don't think. Okay. Kinetic sand. Okay. So, because you should be adding it in when it's still a little wet, because it may need to stick. You want to add it in when it's still a sticky. This is nice. I don't know what to call it, but it is nice. It's thick. I don't think it will mix in, but it's nice. Again, I've not tried kinetic sand before, so I'm just hoping it works. I came up with my own recipe, so I hope it works. I'm scared. I'm putting both hands in. Oh, it feels cool though. I love kinetic sand. I mean kinetic slime. It's like soft. It's not. Oh, I bet this is good for making bubbles. Oh my gosh, I know, it's not called kinetic slime. It's called spider slime. Yes. So if you want to know how to make spider slime, keep on. Well, I call this spider slime. It feels so weird. It's like thicker. You want to know where I got a spider slime? Because when it falls, it tears so easily. I call it kinetic slime. Sorry, they're watching a show in America. Up next.
Oh, really?
Guys, it feels so weird. I love spider slime. So thank you for watching. I wish you guys could feel this. It feels so cool. So that's weird. So let's see its slime abilities. Oh, I touched my hands. Ow, that hurt. So I'm gonna try and make. Oh my gosh! It ripped open. There's like a pocket of kinetic sand. What happens if I break a piece? Oh, guess that one piece just had a lot of kinetic. So this is the nicest slime I've ever felt. I think it feels even better than fluffy slime. I think it's so much better than fluffy slime. It is so much better. It's like crunching. So much better than fluffy slime. What? I am calling it kinetic. No, I'm calling it spider slime. It is spider slime. But tell me in the comments below what I should call it. Even though I will probably keep it being spider slime, but tell me in the comments below what you think I should call it. Because I may change it. And then in the video that I declare that it's been changed, I will say thank you for whoever told me what to name the slime, and I will give him a shout out. And tell me in the comments down below what type of video I should make next, and if you do, I'll go to your channel and subscribe. Again, subscribe. And if you have videos, I go to all those videos and give them a thumbs up. So, please tell me in the comments down below. So comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to do something today. So I will see if you guys could subscribe in 3 seconds. Let's see if you could do it. 1, 2, 3. Did you hit it yet? Tell me in the comments down below. So, bye!